Bring this adorable chubby bunny to life in under a minute. Gather your materials and let's get started. Start with the light pink clay ball for the bunny's head. Roll it smooth with your hands. Next, use a slightly small ball for the body and shape it like an egg. For the eyes, position them just above the nose area and press them lightly. Roll a tiny pink ball for the nose and place it under the eyes. To make the ears, roll 2 light pink ovals, flatten them slightly, then add a smaller pink piece for the inner ear. Now let's attach the head to the bunny. For the arms, take 2 small clay pieces, mold them into tear shapes, and attach them just under the head. Do the same for the legs but make them longer. Then position them so they're slightly angled out. Shape a small bow for the tail, then attach it on the back. Your cute chubby bunny friend is all done. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Follow us for all things clay.